Nice little visitor center.
I like the stonework or the brickwork.
Cabin. Like a rug.
For charity when it comes from black guys like these, deep dark, always searching. Summer and the breakfast is plenty, tables set, the supper's ready, feast attended by the gypsy. I'll follow you today, where the children they run and play. On the street, kneeling by the sea. First next day, you walked with me. Our black eyes go out into the world. No doubt you are strong. You came for me, I was unharmed. Thread is bare, the button's worn. This coat I wear is old and torn, dirty and need amending. Without asking for your company, I've been with your understudy in the broken, beaten blocks of the city. I'll follow you today, where the children they run and play. Kneeling on the street, kneeling by the sea. First next day, you walked with me. Our black eyes go out into the world. No doubt you are strong. You came for me, I was unharmed. Our black eyes go out into the world. No doubt you are strong. You came for me, I was unharmed. Our black eyes go.
Seems like I still have sand in my shoes from the previous day.
No doubt you are strong.
I think
you came for me, I was unharmed.